Olive tapenade consists of chopped olives, capers, and olive oil. Olives are an excellent low-carb source of vitamin E, which functions as a powerful antioxidant in your body, protecting cells against damage caused by reactive molecules called free radicals. You can easily make olive tapenade at home by combining chopped olives, capers, garlic, and olive oil. Pair it with a low-carb cracker, like those made from almond flour, for a crunchy low-carb snack. Cheddar cheese is a versatile low-carb snack containing less than 1 gram of carbs per 28-gram serving. For a delicious crispy alternative, try homemade cheddar cheese crisps. Cut thin slices of cheddar cheese into small, individual squares. Place the squares on a baking sheet and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until crisp. One large egg has less than 1 gram of carbs. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12 and choline, which are essential nutrients for brain health. To make deviled eggs, slice hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise. Scoop out the egg yolks and combine with mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Then, place a spoonful of the egg yolk mixture back into the egg white and top with a dash of paprika. "85 grams of canned tuna contains no carbs and nearly 20 grams of protein. To make tuna salad, combine a 85-gram can of tuna with 1/4 cup 55 grams of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup 25 grams of diced celery. Season the mix with salt and pepper to taste. For a low-carb wrap option, spoon tuna salad into a butter lettuce leaf. Berries are not only highly nutritious but also a low-carb fruit choice. For example, blueberries provide just 11 grams of carbs in 1/2 cup 74 grams. For a delicious, low-carb snack, combine 1/2 cup 74 grams of blueberries with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. One medium avocado has 12 grams of carbs. However, 9 grams of these carbs are derived from fiber, an indigestible nutrient that your body doesn't absorb, making avocado an excellent option for low-carb diets. To make a stuffed avocado, slice it in half and remove the pit. Then, spoon your desired low-carb stuffing into the center of the avocado. Try filling avocado with tuna salad, chopped shrimp, or scrambled eggs and cheese. Dark chocolate is a perfect low-carb snack when you crave something sweet. 28 grams of at least 70% dark chocolate provides 12 grams of carbs and 9 grams of fiber. Try pairing 28 grams of dark chocolate with 1 tablespoon of cashew butter for an additional source of protein and fat. Be sure to select at least 70% dark chocolate, as lower percentages may have more carbs per serving. Carrots contain fewer carbs than you may think, with 10 baby carrots providing just 8 grams. For a tasty snack, pair baby carrots with a low-carb dip, like homemade aioli. To make aioli, mix 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 minced clove of garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Though their name may imply a high sugar, and thus high carb, content, sweet bell peppers are a low-carb vegetable providing just 3 grams of this nutrient in 1/2 cup. They're also rich in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for your heart, immune system, and skin. In fact, 1 green bell pepper provides more vitamin C than an orange. Make a quick low-carb guacamole dip for your bell pepper slices by mashing avocado, onion, garlic, lime juice, and salt together in a bowl. Kale is a popular low-carb veggie that is packed with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate. 1 cup of kale contains less than 1 gram of carbs. If you aren't a fan of raw or sautéed kale, try snacking on kale chips. To make these, rip kale leaves into bite-sized pieces and lay them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the kale with olive oil, garlic powder, and salt. Bake at 177 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, or until the leaf edges are brown and crisp. Tzatziki is a Greek sauce made from plain yogurt, garlic, and cucumbers. Fresh herbs like dill and parsley are often added as well. 2 tablespoons of tzatziki dip provide only 2 grams of carbs, making it an excellent low-carb choice. Pair the dip with fresh, low-carb veggies like broccoli, celery sticks, or baby carrots. Dipping carrot sticks into creamy peanut butter is a surprisingly delicious low-carb snack. A 1/2 cup serving of carrot sticks with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter only provides 13 grams of total carbs. Many peanut butter brands contain added sugar, so it's best to choose a natural variety made only of peanuts and a little salt. One-fourth cup of pumpkin seeds contains 9 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber. What's more, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, an essential mineral needed for optimal immune health and metabolism. To make toasted pumpkin seeds, combine 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Spread the seeds onto a baking sheet and bake in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, or until golden brown. One-half cup of cottage cheese has 5 grams of carbs and 12 grams of protein. It's also rich in bone-building minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Though fruit is a common addition to cottage cheese, you can also make it savory and lower in carbs by adding avocado slices or cherry tomatoes, chopped green onions, and hot sauce. Edamame are green, unripe soybeans that are packed with nutrition. A 1/2 cup serving of edamame contains just 7 grams of carbs and more than 9 grams of plant-based protein. For a simple low-carb snack, toss raw shelled edamame into a bowl with 1 tablespoon of water. Cover with a paper towel and microwave on high for 1 minute or until tender. Season lightly with sea salt and enjoy. Traditional flavored yogurt is often high in added sugar. Selecting unsweetened plain yogurt eliminates all of the added sugar, which minimizes the carb content. For example, a 170-gram serving of plain, unsweetened, whole milk yogurt contains just 8 grams of carbs. To keep it a low-carb snack, pair plain yogurt with a handful of nuts. Boost the flavor by adding a dash of cinnamon, a small amount of vanilla extract, or a natural, zero-carb sweetener like stevia. Use a mashed avocado in place of mayonnaise for a unique spin on egg salad. To make avocado egg salad, simply mash 1/2 avocado with 1 hard-boiled egg and season lightly with salt and pepper. Enjoy avocado egg salad by itself, spread onto low-carb crackers, or scooped into a lettuce wrap. String cheese is an easy and portable low-carb snack. 28 grams of mozzarella string cheese provides less than 1 gram of carbs but 6 grams of protein. Cheese is also a great source of calcium, which is an essential mineral needed for bone health, muscle function, and your nervous system. Unlike dried and canned varieties, which tend to be high in sugar and carbs, fresh apricots are low in carbs, with one fruit containing only 4 grams. To make a stuffed apricot, cut the fruit in half and remove the pit. Mix 1/4 cup of blue cheese crumbles with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spoon the mixture into the center of each apricot half. Broil on a cooking sheet for 1 to 2 minutes until toasted. Dried seaweed sheets are a crunchy, portable, low-carb snack. Seaweed is one of the best natural dietary sources of iodine, a mineral that supports thyroid health. Your thyroid gland makes essential hormones needed for metabolism, growth, and development. One seaweed sheet contains just 1 gram of carbs and can be enjoyed by itself or paired with avocado slices, scrambled eggs, or cut up into a salad. Caprese salad is a low-carb Italian dish made by combining mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, basil leaves, and olive oil. To make a small caprese salad, combine 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes, 28 grams of bite-sized mozzarella balls, and 1 tablespoon of chopped, fresh basil leaves. Toss together with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a dash of sea salt. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar over the salad for an additional boost of flavor. Sardines are small, oily fish that are packed with nutrients. 1 can of sardines has 0 carbs and 23 grams of protein. These fish are also an excellent source of calcium, providing 27% of the reference daily intake for this mineral. Try pairing sardines with low-carb chia and flaxseed crackers for a crunchy and nutritious low-carb snack.